Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in Orpington in Greater London and really excited to show you around another one of our J Garden offices. So completed back in September 23. I'm just back in the area. I met up with a client who's using this on a daily basis, absolutely loving the building, and I can see why. Perfect garden, a lovely spot here over in Orpington. This particular building, the J Garden Office, is on the 2.9 wide and the 2.5 deep. Really nice size, almost a bit too big for a single office, so being used a bit of a man cave as well, and just works so nicely. Integrated blinds, which were a real must in this because there's a lot of light. This is south facing this building, so morning coffee's down here on the table, but then also the sun coming in. May consider upgrading to climate control. We're going to see how that goes, but for now just the heating. Used every day in a really nice way, and look at the space you've got in here, so way more than you would need just for a single office, but it's actually allowed for a bit of a man cave and an enjoyable space all the way around there, and being used for Zoom calls and elements like that as well. Got the EPDM roof extra height on this one with the silver level finish, so that means that the client themselves done the internal painting, and in this instance already had the base in place, so the rest of the garden was already designed, and then we came in after the base was installed, and then we run some electrics, internet and all the usual things. Just under the 2.5 planning rule in our anthracite colour, cement board to the rear and to the sides, plus that lovely MTX in anthracite on the front with the doors and windows. Just a really lovely garden office, used daily, could be used for more, and if the client maybe was thinking about selling this property, it's big enough to say it's a studio and all these other uses as well. So I hope that's of interest to you. That's our J Garden Office, 2.9 wide, 2.5 deep, here over in Orpington. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share what we do. We really do want to know your views, and if this kind of garden office is of interest to you, please do give us a call.